a favor from you. Please close your eyes. And don't open your eyes until I say that. It's not dangerous, I promise. Close your eyes. I want to see everybody's eyes closed. Close your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Close your eyes. Yeah. Okay, brothers and sisters, now you can open your eyes. Hello, how are you? Well, you don't know it, but I am a genie. And as a genie, do you know what genies do? Before I say it.
Considering wishes.
Exactly, we grant wishes. And actually, most of the genies come out of the lamp. But, you know, I don't like lamps very much, so I brought my teapot. This is where I live. And so, since I'm a genie, I grant wishes, and I want you to see some of the wishes that I can grant you. So, please take one of these and pass it. Look, probably I will grant you a wish. So, for example, imagine that I grant you this wish, a nice job at Google. If I had a nice job at Google, I could play football league. Now tell me what you could do with your wish if I granted this. Well, the fact is that all of you are in Alcatraz now, and this is a meeting about why you are in prison. So I'm going to hand this out to you, and you have to read and answer the 3 questions that you see here. Don't worry about the vocabulary, just read through it and answer the 3 questions. So take one of these, please, and pass it. We have the verb in what tense? Past perfect. Good, excellent. Then we have this expression, would have. Yes. And then the verb in what tense? Ele? Past participle. Very good. Very nice. So, okay, can anybody give me another example?
You can say the same words. You say, if I have had enough money in the past, I would have bought a Ferrari.
I'm Paris Hilton. I was arrested in New Jersey, and the charges were I was driving without a license, and I was speeding too. I spent in jail. I spent 3 days in prison. I spent 3 days in prison. Imagine, for me, that's so terrible. If I hadn't been to that party, I wouldn't have been arrested, you know. And if I hadn't gone to New Jersey, which I'm gonna lie, this would have never happened to me. So now you have to work in pairs, say this information about you, and say examples using the third condition. Can I give you 4 minutes for that too?
The crime.
And how about Sarah? How about you? Do you regret it? Yes. Do you really, really regret it?
Yes. You don't like crime.
You don't know why, but say, yeah, I regret it. Yeah, why not?
No,
But
I don't like it.
I just gotten a message from the genie, and he says that all of you are free. Okay, so no more time in Alcatraz. So I clap for you, and thank you for this class. This is here. Thank you very much.